Good morning. From Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida, you're watching live coverage of the launch of the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon capsule. This is Falcon launch control at T-minus 1 hour, 14 minutes, and counting. After 4 previous flights to the International Space Station, including 3 official resupply missions for NASA, SpaceX is set to launch its 4th Commercial Resupply Services, or CRS mission to the station, which is designated as CRS-4. Liftoff is targeted for an instantaneous launch window at 2:14 a.m. and 38 seconds Eastern Time. And at the time of launch, the International Space Station will be flying at an altitude of 262 miles over the Arabian Sea, west of the southern tip of India and Sri Lanka. The Dragon spacecraft will be filled with more than 5,000 pounds of supplies and payloads, including critical materials to support the 255 science and research investigations that will occur during ISS Expeditions 41 and 42. Dragon will be carrying 3 powered cargo payloads in its pressurized section and 2 in its unpressurized trunk. The science payloads will enable model organism research using rodents, fruit flies, and plants. A special science payload is the ISS Rapid Scatterometer to monitor ocean surface wind speed and direction. Several new technology demos aboard will enable bone density studies, test how a small satellite moves and positions itself in space using new thruster technology, and use the first 3D printer in space for additive manufacturing. The mission also will be delivering IMAX cameras for filming during 4 station increments and replacement batteries for the spacesuits. This is the 4th of 12 missions under the SpaceX Commercial Resupply Services contract with NASA. Under the contract, SpaceX will deliver a minimum of 20 metric tons of cargo to the station. The weather forecast is not exactly ideal. However, a go was given to fuel the Falcon 9 rocket. The launch team is on station. There's a 30% chance of favorable weather at the time of liftoff